My name's Jerry Frank. I own 2 shops in Cleveland, Ohio.
My name is Rick Kersey. I am the owner and general manager of Accurate Auto. I have 3 locations in the Portland, Oregon area.
My name is Eddie Maroc. I'm with Car Life Auto Repair. Car Life's been in existence for 6 years, and I've been in the automotive industry for 14 years.
For 41 years.
Over 60 years.
My goodness, longer than I care to admit. I can remember we were still handwriting repair orders when I got into the business.
Before Bolt-On, we had paper inspections. So you have paper, first of all, that you have, and you have mounds of paper.
We had the paper inspections that would get all messy and they'd get all torn up and tattered.
And then you had the hieroglyphics that your technician would write. You know, what are they trying to say? What are they trying to communicate? And they start writing up the side of the page when they run out of room.
You know, we get different results. Someone would skip things. They would, just mark stuff off as being done. So
you have to go to the technician, or the technician has to come to you and say, what does this say?
So before, I'd have a service advisor walking out in the shop trying to get the information from a tech.
I see a full inspection here. What are we trying to communicate to the customer?
There's no way we could actually give those to our customers because they look really bad.
We've been doing business the same way for a really, really long time, and there's got to be some sort of switch in the guard. And I think that that's what Bolt-On brings to this business, is really the change that comes.
Bolt-On simplifies that. It's the same every time. The technician typically goes through the process the same way every time.
Everybody does the inspections the same way now. And when we present them to the customers have pictures, they can see what we're talking about.
Not say, hey, this is broken, and try to explain it.
It's not just us, saying, hey, you need this. We have a picture of the actual problem. We can show them what's going on.
To be able to say, hey, open up the digital inspection, look at this picture.
They were able to then see pictures of their car and different items that they were asking about and questioning of their inspection process.
The pictures, they say a picture's worth 1,000 words, and of course it is. You can't have enough pictures.
So Bolt-On has helped dramatically with the communication of those issues and communication in general with the client.
Now often I just send them a little message, we send them the inspection, and boom, they call back and say just go ahead and do it, or often they even text back. So just to improve the whole operations.
And just to send them all the text to let them know what's available without being overly intrusive in their lives is sensational.
This new program is awesome because I can text them a really clean, awesome, professional looking piece.
If you're not using a digital courtesy inspection from Bolt-On, you're living in the past.
Digital inspections.
It has made us better at selling automotive service because we don't have to have all those additional conversations.
Just being able to increase your sales. I mean, we got access to something where our numbers went up 211% going from, before using the inspections with Bolt-On to after using them with Bolt-On. And we've only had them for 8 months. So it's only going to get better from there.